Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to enable low latency mode on your headphones Creative Zen Hybrid 2. You have to start by open the application. Now it should connecting, so wait. And after that go to settings at the right top. And right here in the second line we have low latency mode, so click on it. And we did it. Also we can click it by press 2 times on ANC button. 1, 2. Now I disable it, and 1, 2. I enable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.